The purpose of this video is to present the new Oxygen Feedback Comment Management System, show you how fast and simple it is to add it to your online web help documentation, and provide information about its various features. Oxygen Feedback is a comment management platform that can be embedded in web help, responsive output, or any HTML-based website. It provides easy interaction with your community. For example, it enables them to ask questions and receive timely answers. It has a modern, stylish appearance that looks great on any website. It has numerous useful features for both commenters and administrators. And its user-friendly admin interface makes it very easy to integrate, manage, and configure. The first thing I want to show you is how easy it is to add Oxygen Feedback to your web help documentation. The first thing I need to do is log into the admin interface. If this was my first time using it, I would need to sign up first, but I've already created an account. This takes me to the Sites page. This is where you create and manage site configurations. I will click the Add Site button to create a new site configuration. This initiates a 3-step wizard. The first step is the Settings page, and this is where I enter the name of the site configuration and a description. I can also add a logo by clicking the camera symbol in the circle and selecting my image file. I will keep the comment moderation option enabled so that I can show you the moderation features later on. After clicking the Continue button, I move on to the second step, and that's the Initial Version page. You can change the starting version if you want, but I'm going to leave it as 1.0. And I need to enter the base URL where my web help output is published. And the third step of the wizard is the installation page. And here there are 3 options. If I were to generate the web help documentation using a command line script, I would select the Oxygen XML web help option. If I wanted to add the comment system in any HTML-based web page, I would select the Any Platform option. In my case, I'm going to add the comment system in web help output that is generated through a transformation scenario in Oxygen XML editor. As you can see, instructions are displayed for each particular option. I'll open Oxygen side by side with the browser so that I can see the instructions. I need to configure a new transformation scenario. And in the Feedback tab, I'll click Edit. I'll copy the fragment that was generated, and back in Oxygen, I'll paste it, save, and apply the transformation. Now, if I go to the web help output and open a topic, you can see that Oxygen Feedback is now embedded at the bottom of the page. Next, I'll show you a quick preview of some of the features your users have available once the comment system is embedded in the output. After logging in as a user, I can add a new comment. Or reply to an existing comment. I can style the text using toolbar buttons that are based upon Markdown syntax. I can also manually type Markdown syntax, and there's a preview area at the bottom of the comment box where you can see how it will look. If I click on the drop-down menu next to my username, I can access my profile. Here I can edit details such as the name or avatar, or I can change my password. I can also go to the Notifications tab and specify which type of events will trigger an email notification. Now I'll show you how efficient it is to moderate comments. Back in the output, I will log in as an admin. Remember that I chose to keep the comment moderation option enabled, so new comments need to be approved if they are to be displayed for all users. There are several ways to moderate comments. One way is to approve or reject the comments directly in the output, like I just did with one of the new comments. I can also do this from the admin interface. There's a shortcut in the output for reaching the admin interface, and that is by selecting Home from the Username drop-down menu. And if I click the tile for my site configuration, I am taken directly to the comments page where I have various moderation options. I can filter comments based upon their status using the buttons at the top. I can filter them by version or time. I can even search for particular content or a particular user. And of course, I can accept or reject new comments directly from this page. Now I'll show you some of the other features in the admin interface and how easy it is to configure and manage. First, I'll go to the community page. It displays the members of the site management team as well as all users who have posted a comment on the website where the feedback system is installed for that particular site configuration. And since I'm logged in as a member of the management team, I can change the role for existing users. Next, I'll go to the General Settings page. Here I could edit details for this particular site configuration, such as the name, description, logo, and other options. Next, I'll go to the Versions page. This is where you can manage the versions for a particular site configuration. This is especially helpful if you have multiple versions of your output. I can add a new version. I can click the Edit button for an existing version to change its details. And I can then click the Installation button to redeploy that version for the particular site configuration. The last page to show you is the Management Team page. This is where you can define the management team, which are the users that have an admin or moderator role. Notice that there's also an owner role. This is automatically assigned to the user who created that particular site configuration. To add a user to the management team, I'll enter their email address, choose their role, and click Add. Notice that the user has been added and they are now in a pending state, waiting for them to confirm the change. And finally, here are a list of some of the features that are coming soon. First, a new view will be available in Oxygen XML Editor or Author, where you can see all the comments added in the Web Help documentation. Second, you will be able to send comment moderation and administration events to your Slack channels. And third, your users will be able to add comments after certain block elements, for example, a paragraph, list, or table, without having to scroll to the comment area at the bottom of the page. I hope this presentation was helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.